Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X3 M versus X6 M. Focus first on your priorities, handling, space, and image, then match those to specs and driving feel. I'll walk through engine choices, suspension setup, and interior features while highlighting where each model shines. Listen for real-world trade-offs like rear headroom, cargo practicality, and curb appeal so you can decide which M SUV fits your lifestyle and driving habits best. Start with the heart of each car, the engine and chassis tuning. The X3 M feels eager on back roads thanks to a compact footprint and quicker directional changes, while the X6 M leverages mass and aero for confident high-speed stability and brutal acceleration. I'll compare torque curves, transmission behavior, and brake feel, and explain how weight distribution and suspension geometry influence lap times and daily comfort in clear, easy terms you can use when test driving. Quick recommendation for keeping your BMW smelling great. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to add a long-lasting, clean scent that pairs nicely with a well-set-up cabin and leather interior. It's a small upgrade that makes every drive feel a little more premium and fun, especially after a spirited run or a long commute. If you like these suggestions, subscribe and like, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Consider life beyond the track: seating, cargo, and ride comfort. The X3 M typically offers more usable rear space and easier loading for groceries or gear, while the X6 M trades some utility for a striking silhouette and a sportier cabin vibe. I'll cover seat support, infotainment ergonomics, and noise levels so you know what to expect on commutes and road trips. These practical differences often determine ownership satisfaction more than horsepower alone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.